So we're gonna start with the back first. We're gonna do some whippersnipping and plowing for the leaves. Then we're gonna get everything in front and do the edges.
No worries.
This is what I was telling you about. It's the one that we made a little bit clean up the last time. This has been all cleaned. There was a lot of some weeds growing in the back and front. Looking nice, is it?
A beautiful property, yeah.
Even if you look in the back, if you're gonna come in this way, we're gonna still make some cleaning with the leaves and everything. This is actually a pathway to go around, and we haven't even discovered that there was a pathway until we start cleaning.
Yeah.
It was full of leaves here, and it was absolutely a mess. I cleaned everything here. We got 1.5 full trailer of leaves and branches from this area only.
How's this from going from a law office, Mo, to this is your now office?
Yeah, that's my office.
Yeah.
It's actually an office.